Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone personal hotspot not working on your iPhone. Personal hotspot isn't working on your iPhone, you're not sure why. Personal hotspot lets you turn your iPhone into a Wi-Fi hotspot that other device can connect to. So to fix this problem, the first step is you have to turn off data and turn back on again. So personal hotspot uses cellular data to run your iPhone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. When other devices connect to your personal hotspot and browse the web, they use the cellular data on your cell phone plan. Sometimes turning cellular data off and back on again can fix minor software glitch, preventing personal hotspot from working on your iPhone. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, then the next step is check for carrier setting update. For that, you can simply go to your settings and then click on about section, and you will automatically get the pop-up of to update your carrier setting in 15 seconds. So if you don't get it, then it means you have already updated the carrier setting. So once you've done this, then make sure that you restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a common solution for a variety of problems. All the program on your iPhone shut down naturally when you turn it off, which can fix minor software glitches and error. So once you have restarted your iPhone, and if it's still not working, then make sure that you update your iPhone. For that, click on settings, click on software update and see if there is any update available. So if you get any update on your iPhone, make sure that you download and install it on your iPhone. It can fix your problem. So once you have done this, all the step, and if it's still not working, the last step is you have to reset your iPhone network setting. Resetting the network setting on your iPhone, erase all of its cellular, Wi-Fi, APN, and VPN setting and restore them back to factory default. Resetting all the cellular setting to factory default could fix a complex software issue if iPhone personal hotspot is not working. For that, click on settings, click on general, scroll down and click on transfer reset. Click on reset network setting. Simply enter the passcode of your iPhone and reset the network setting once. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.